Morning everybody, welcome back to IP Farms. Well, day's Saturday. I'll get started leaving the house here, headed to the farm. A little chilly this morning for North Carolina, about 26. It's supposed to be about 42 today, I think. The sun shines out, that's the main thing. Got a day or two of sunshine before more rain, so let's go see what we can get into today. Bring you along for a little bit of it. Be back soon. Okay, I'm back. I guess the first thing on the agenda this morning is going to be getting these wheels cleaned up for the big disc. I need to get the tires and tubes on them today. I'm not going to worry about painting the outside right now. Just want to get the inside cleaned up. Put a smooth coat of paint on it for the tube. So you've all seen that, so I'm not going to bother with getting any of that on the video. I'll bring you back when we get the tires and wheels on there, or the tires and tubes rather. So bring you back here in a few. Okay everybody, I'm back. I was able to get the four wheels cleaned up this morning. Got some silver paint on them in pretty rough shape. I had to patch the valve stem hole up there. Not perfect, but it'll work. I'm going to drill the pin out here. I think I've decided just to drill a hole through here for a clevis pin. Use this hole over here. Believe that'll work, and try to get that drilled here and get it out and get it on the disc, get a coat of paint on it. So bring you back shortly, a little bit of that. Okay, I'm back. It's been a day already. Apologize for not getting much filming done today. Just been wide open, busy. Got the four tires and wheels for the big disc mounted up, tubes in them. Let them sit. Been sitting there about an hour. Seems to be no leaks so far. I'll double check it. So we're going to try to finish up on the big disc today. I got the hitch up there on it. I'm working on the pin right now. My little drill press here. Got to drill that out the right size for the linch pins, and then cut the end of it off. Go up there and get the swivel on the big disc, and then I'm going to work on putting the hydraulic cylinder together and put the hoses on. It's back there on the back of the table. So thought I might bring you along for a little bit of this. We'll speed it up so it don't bore you too bad. Bring you back soon. Okay, well that should be enough of the time lapse there. I was able to get the pin drilled out. Got it up there in the disc. Show you that in a minute. Got it cut off, polished up, linch pins in it. Went ahead and installed the 90s here on the hydraulic cylinder and the new hoses, and put the Pioneer ends on the new hoses. Of course, I made a huge mess. Okay, let's see if we can get this up there on the disc and get it pinned up, and then I guess I'm going to back the 1086 up, see if I can get it hooked up. And I'm not sure about this cylinder. Didn't have much resistance on it, which I guess it wouldn't with the hoses off, but I don't know, it may blow oil out everywhere. It was what came with the disc, so we're going to try it. Worst case scenario, just take all the fittings off and put a new cylinder on it. Alright, let's see how it goes. Okay, well, the moment of truth. Let's see what happens. Got the camera far enough away in case something explodes. We'll get oil all over it. Well, nothing exploded and it's working. Looks like I'm going to have to adjust the slides on the tandem wheels when it goes down. Well, it's not picking the tires up far enough, I don't believe. I don't think that's necessarily a depth control really, but I'm on the hill here, but it doesn't look like you're off the ground about 3 or 4 inches. I believe I'll have to take them loose and slide them up the bar a little bit. Alright, let me get out here on the flat ground and see what happens. I'll bring you back in just a minute. Okay, trying to get where the sun creates so many shadows, if you get an idea. Well, I'm tickled to death. Another piece of tillage equipment pretty much ready to go. Still have a few things. Hitch worked out great. I ran out of paint, but when I painted it black and red, pretty ironic, it almost looks like an international symbol, doesn't it? Imagine that. Anyway, that's good. Got the pin drilled out, linch pins in both sides, hitches on there. I do have to, at some point, I only have the pins in it. I'm going to make some slot plates for this now when I can get it picked up and get it down to the shop to the welder. I didn't realize how bad they were egg-shaped. The hitch itself is good there, just these outside pieces, so we'll do the same as we did on the front at some point. Cylinder went on good. Stay out of the sun here. You saw that a while ago. Hoses, I said 12 foot earlier, but I think I ended up getting 14 foot. They're quite long. Loop there. We'll get them all situated once I make all the tight turns and zip tie them up. Probably have to put something there to keep it from rubbing. But tires and wheels are on it. I did not mess with the wheel bearings yet. I will do that once I can get it down in front of the shop. Like I said, you saw it, it's up in the yard away from the shop a little ways, so now we're in the air and we can move it around, so that's the main thing. So down the small roads on this one, a couple little odds and ends here or there will be ready to go. So I believe that's everything now on the tillage. Got the disc plow ready. My plan is to hopefully disc plow it, see how good that does, chopping everything up, come back with this, grind it up a little bit, see what that looks like, and then hopefully chisel plow it, break up the hard pan, and bring some more up to the top, and then just keep discing away from there. We'll see what happens. Hopefully we'll get to that this spring. Like I said, I don't have too much to do in the fields that I've already cleared. A few more things, but nothing major, so. Okay. bring you back here in just a minute. Okay, I'm back. I believe we'll wrap this one up for today. Note was kind of jumping around sporadic, doing different things. I really wanted to get those wheels and tires on and the tubes in while I had an extra hand today. So we were able to get those in. Hopefully they'll hold. Ironically, it's the same tubes that came out of those rusty wheels. Had to patch the one up I showed earlier. That worked out pretty good, so we'll see. May come back and have 4 flat tires, but about 4 hours they were up, and all of them had right on the money the same amount of air, so I don't think I have any leaks in it as of right now. So just wanted to say thank you to everybody for watching. Thank you to the ones that are subscribed. Please consider subscribing if you're watching and haven't already. Give me a thumbs up if you like what you see, the content. Definitely comment down below. Enjoy reading that. I'm trying to get to be able to respond back to everybody. If I miss you, just give me time. I'll make it back to you. But shop's messy again, but I believe I'm going to call it a day. Getting kind of late here on Saturday, so we'll see what's to come. Till next time, thank you.